Welcome to Math and Me. This video for IQ test. Here is a picture. We are seeing one is 3 insect equals to 21. Here is 2 watch plus insects equals to 19. Here is a flowers plus watch plus insects equals to 15. And here is a insect plus flowers into watch equals to what will be the answer. So let's start. In this case, we can keep something like here, this one we can take A. It means insects we can take A. So A. It means 3A equals to 21. Okay, A plus A, it means 3A. 3 equals to 21. So A means 21 divided 3 equals to 7. Okay, and here watch we can take B. It means we can write here B plus A equals to 19. So in this case, B plus B means 2B plus A means 7. We can write here 7 equals to 19. So here 2B equals to 19 minus 7, because if we exchange 7, the sign become minus. So 19 minus 7, it means 12. So B equals to 12 divided 2, it means 6. Okay, great. Now look, we already get two things, B and A. Now we will find out the value of flowers. So flower is, look, this is this is C plus B plus A equals to 15. B means watch, A means insects. So C plus B, we already got 6 plus A means 7, and here is 15. So C equals to, here is 15 minus 6 plus 7 means 13. Exchange 13 become minus 13. So it is 2. So look, A equals to 7, B equals to 6, C equals to 2. So now result is, this is A, this is C, and this is B. So A plus C into B equals to what? Look, here is a multiplication sign. Maximum people mistake this one. They thought this is plus. Okay, so A means what? A means 7 plus C means 2 into B means 6. So 7 plus 12, it's 19. Our answer complete. If you have any question, just keep on your comments in our comments box. Okay, thank you, bye bye.